I just found my new carnivore go-to. That's Carnivore. This is Carnivore Game Changer. The outside is crispy and buttery, and the inside is juicy, buttery, and so flavorful. I have so much flavors in my mouth. Hey, compassionate carnivores. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make carnivore burritos. All you need is beef, butter, eggs, a bowl, a frying pan, and an electric hand mixer. This is so simple and easy to make. We're gonna start off by cooking up some ground beef on a pan. I turned my heat on high just to let it heat up real nice and fast. I know that ground beef already has a lot of fat in it, but I like to add some butter because it gives it much more flavor. You can add bacon grease if you'd like. I'm not doing bacon grease because I'm not eating bacon for 30 days. I don't know how I've been feeling about butter lately. A lot of people say to just eat a stick of butter, and I used to believe that too. My dad would say eat butter, eat this fat, it'll clear your acne, and it did, but what even is in butter? I'd rather just eat ground beef fat or fatty ribeye. Everyone is different, but I feel so much better when I'm not munching on so much butter and when I just use a little bit. Like my mom loves butter. She can just go in the fridge and eat butter. I can do that too, but I always get a stomach ache after it and don't feel good. And she feels good when she eats butter, so everyone is different. Now I'm gonna turn this on medium high because it's already heated up nice and hot. If you guys don't have a stainless steel pan, you guys need to invest in one. This is a good pan. It doesn't have any Teflon, any chemicals in it. I'll leave the link down in the description below. It can be a little pricey, but this is going to last a very long time. This away. I know I said this is super simple and easy, and it is for most people, but this next part I struggle with. It's where you separate egg whites and the egg yolks. I am doing 5 full eggs with the egg whites and only 1 single yolk, and the rest of the 4 yolks that I have left, I cook up scrambled eggs. You just crack it in half and then try to squeeze it together, and then I just go left and right. Then the egg yolk in here. I asked you guys in my last video what we should do with the eggshells because I feel so wasteful wasting them, and a lot of people said it's good fertilizer, but right now my sister Katie's not working on her garden yet, but when she does start, we're gonna do more research and learn about that and use these. But for now, oh, I always feel so awful doing that. I think I'm actually getting better at this. Now I'm gonna jinx it. Actually, we do need 1 yolk, so I'll just use that guy. Hey, I'm actually getting the hang of it. Oh, no! Okay, some of the yolk got in, but that's okay. We're gonna turn this down to low. This cooks up so fast, and I don't know if this is true, but I think it's because of stainless steel. When I would use these other pans, it took me forever to cook up ground beef. This next part, we're gonna take our electric hand mixer and just go to town on it. You wanna get it real mixed up. Plug this in. I tilt the bowl like this so all the eggs go to one side, and then it seems to go faster. See, look at how much it rised up already. Even though it looks done, I'm just gonna keep going and do it a little bit longer. So as you can see, it's nice and fluffy and thick. This is what you want. This is the burrito tortilla batter. Ground beef is done. I'm gonna grab a plate. I'm gonna actually take a couple bites of this. If you guys are new here, I am doing strict carnivore, just beef, butter, and eggs for 30 days. And today is actually day 5. I've been feeling more tired, and I think I'm having a caffeine withdrawal, and my body's just adjusting to this, and I know I'm going to feel better. If you guys don't have this salt, you guys need to get it. I highly recommend it. It is Malden salt. It's thick, flaky salt. So I don't know, it just gives it so much flavor. I love it so much. We get ours on Amazon. I think Costco sells it, but if you guys shop on Amazon, I'll leave the link down in the description below. Okay, I need to save this for my burrito. Now you're just going to want to clean off your pan because the brown stuff that's in it, or the leftovers, it just gets stuck to the little burrito shell and it's not good. Okay, now it's going to go real... Interruption. Did you know your skin absorbs 60 to 70% of what you put on it? At Compassionate Carnivore, we make 100% natural, handmade products with ingredients you can read, pronounce, and trust. We also sell some fun carnivore merch. If you'd like to support our business, please visit compassionatecarnivore.store, link in the description below. It cooks up so fast. I am using 1/2 cup. I'm probably gonna double it so that my tortilla shell gets bigger. You wanna butter your pan. You really want to butter up your pan real nice and good. You could use bacon grease if you'd like. It would give it much more flavor, but I think butter has so much delicious flavor in it too. Okay, this is 1/2 cup, so I think I'm going to do 2 of these. Okay, and then before it starts cooking, I'm just gonna try to circle it out. Oh gosh, I could have done it better, but that's okay. Try to get it nice and even. I am cooking it up on medium heat, and how you know when it's ready to flip, the sides will start to get brown, and then you know it's good to flip. While it's cooking, you just want to scrape the sides so that it does not stick. Okay, so you see how the sides are brown? I think it's ready to flip. And now I'm going to let this side cook for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to take this guy off and let it sit for like 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna layer the pan in beef tallow. Again, make sure you're scraping the sides. Guys, we have a big problem. I've been snacking on the ground beef, and there's only a little left for this one burrito guy. But that's okay, I'll make more. Look at that, this is our burrito shell. Carnivore burrito tortilla shell. And now we're just gonna put this on here, and we're going to let this sit for like 2 minutes just to cool it down a bit. And now we're gonna add a lot of beef tallow. This is my carnivore burrito taco shell. And this is how much ground beef I have left because I've been munching on it. I knew I should have made more, but that's okay. So now we're going to fill this guy up. I don't know how to fold a burrito. If I get a tongs, I could flip it. Please don't fall apart. Okay, please work. He's a little goofy looking. I know this will work, I just needed to crisp up the egg a little bit more. Okay, here is the first burrito. It looks a little goofy, but that's because I got a little hole in it. I had no idea, so maybe you guys don't know, but there are places that sell carnivore tortilla shells where it's just egg whites and beef gelatin powder. So you could probably do that, but this is how my carnivore burrito turned out. Carnivore burrito! Okay, this is my carnivore burrito. It looks absolutely delicious. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Carnivore burrito. Whoa, I'm speechless. So much flavors. The shell is so buttery and delicious. And then the inside is nice and juicy and the outside is crispy. Oh my gosh. I just found my new carnivore go-to. That's carnivore. This is carnivore game changer. The outside is crispy and buttery and the inside is juicy, buttery, and so flavorful. I have so much flavors in my mouth. Something that I love about carnivore is I don't have to worry about the grease making me break out. If anything, it's going to help my skin with the tallow, rich in vitamin A, D, E, and K. So for example, whenever I'd eat greasy food before, like years and years ago, like if you have a greasy pizza, you're like, oh my gosh, my skin's gonna break out. But if that gets on your skin, you're good. But this was a total success. That is how you make carnivore burritos. Oh my gosh, you guys have to make that. I'm not sure if you guys watched my other videos, but you can do the same exact thing for carnivore pancakes. But for the pancakes, you don't want any egg yolks. You only want the egg whites, and it gets it real nice, thick, and fluffy. And you can do the same thing for burger patty buns, and it's so delicious, buttery, and flavorful. If you guys aren't subscribed, please subscribe, as it really helps me out, and it helps YouTube push my YouTube videos. So it may pop up on someone's For You page, and they might be like, what's carnivore, or a carnivore pancake? And then they'll want to learn more about it, and maybe do carnivore and completely transform their life. But thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the very best today and always. Bye. Beep.